Come on, let's go. Yeah, I know, this is deeper than I thought. Let's go. And I'm going to see if I can't keep from dunking the camera. Come on. Okay. Come on, Quidam. Quidam, come on. It's okay. We made it this far. Come on, Quidam. Come on, I'm right here. That's it. Come on. Yeah, I know, you're going to have to swim just a little bit. Quidam. Come on this way. You're going out in the deeper water, baby. That's it. Oh, goodness, you're swimming. But no, don't swim to the other bank. Come here. And now you're walking again. Come on. That's it. That's a baby. Oh, what a good puppy. There we go. There we go. Come on. Come on. All right, let me turn the camera off and I'll come get you. Quidam, come here. Come on, look. Look what I got. There we go. That's it. Come here. Come on. That's it. That's it. Oh, what a good puppy. Oh, what a good puppy. Look what I got. Come here. Okay, he doesn't like that one spot where he gets deeper, so I'm going to have to go get him. All right, hold on, baby dog. Let me put the camera back in the bag.